the Honorable Vice Chairperson Jose Pepito Alvarez.
Thank you, Chair. Good morning, ma'am. To clear the air, opening statement is last Friday, hindi po si Vice President Sara Duterte ang no-show. Ako po ang nag-request para i-defer kasi schedule ko kaagad ng Tuesday today at 9 o'clock. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon to deliberate on the budget request of the Office of the Vice President. So hindi po, wala pong speculation na no-show si Madam Sara, Vice President Sara Duterte noong Friday. Ako po ang nag-request na para i-defer. Ayun. So the air is now clear. I'd like to ask Her Excellency, Madam Vice President, to make her presentation.